Hi guys, how are we? Hope we are good. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, A Life of Amy. So you know what to do. Subscribe, comment, share, and like my videos. Thank you. So I'm gonna be sharing with us on how to know your partner doesn't enjoy your kissing. Yes. And first, you need to know that kissing is part of intimacy. Kissing is just a way of ushering yourself into the real deal, the main reason, the main deal. You understand? So, and these things I feel I'm sharing with us today will really guide us, because most time we lag behind in some things. Not that we know, probably we're not taught, probably we're not aware. Yeah, so the first we're going to be talking about how to know your partner doesn't enjoy your kissing. First is the facial countenance. Girl, is the facial countenance. If it's not going, it's not going. So even at the process of kissing him or her, you should be able to tell if your partner is enjoying the moment that you're in, because most time we tend to do too much and we're not even aware, we're not self-conscious. Probably we're just going through what is in our head, trying to feel the moment with our need, forgetting the other person in question. When you look at him or her, you should be able to know that this moment, this guy, this girl is not enjoying this, so let me just let it go. So the second one, access denied. Yes, most time how you know a guy or a girl or your partner doesn't enjoy your kissing is he or she doesn't give you access. He locks his lip, like his or her lips, to tell you. Sometimes just him bringing his teeth together and he's keeping it like this, or sometimes he just use his tongue to just find a way to irritate you and other things. You should be able to see the sign that at this moment probably he's off the record for what you want to do. His mind is not there. He's not mentally stable for what you want to usher him into, which is still not a bad thing. Just let it be for the moment. With time, he or she will come around. Yes. So then talking about the third one, we talk about maneuvers. Seriously, comes that period where you want to kiss your partner and he or she is busy trying to, maneuver the whole situation, peck you here, touch you here, do this, do that, all those unnecessary foreplay that at that moment you feel you don't even need it. It brings in those vibes because he's not vibing to it. He or she, maybe his mind is choked up with something. You know that our body reacts different. Maybe at that point he doesn't even want to lock lips with you. You should be able to know that at this point he or she is not vibing to it. Okay, then we'll talk about the third one, body language. When you call this person your partner, you should be able to know he or her body language. Yes, because I don't know, you can't be with someone for a quiet period of time and you can't tell what he or she is able to do. Body language is everything. He or she becomes uncomfortable, shifting position, doing this, doing that, to tell you that at this moment probably he doesn't want to say it in a very rude way for you to pick offense or to feel embarrassed too. But you should be able to know that at this point this person needs his or her space, because no matter what you do with your partner, there's a time you let us have our space, have our moment, and then kind of like still come back and we continue. Do you understand? So the third we're going to talk about, if he or she doesn't have feelings for you anymore, kissing you becomes something he or she will never enjoy, because that feeling, that passion, that beautiful moment you have with this person is no longer there. He no longer see you the way he or she sees you before. And mind you, when someone doesn't have feelings for you again, those little things you do then that were exciting, that makes the relationship unique, sometimes becomes very annoying. He or she picks offense at every little thing, both the sensitive and the ones that are not sensitive, the ones that are worth it and the ones that are not worth it. So when a guy doesn't have feelings for you, these things are bound to happen. You should be able to know when to walk away. You should be able to feel these things, because they are feeling when it's no longer matching with your energy. When you both are not syncing and no longer in line, you should know everything you do becomes an awkward moment. So you should know when to walk away. Okay, and oftentimes, for instance, we ladies, Probably your guy comes in and you just don't enjoy this guy's kissing. We just have a way of doing it. Overuse of lipstick. We can apply, and apply and apply because we know this guy doesn't like it. And you'll be like, oh, wipe it off, and you're like, no, I want to keep it. So a guy should still be able to know that at this point, this girl that I'm having a thing with doesn't want this moment. So guys, I believe with this, we've really touched some things. I love you guys. Thank you so much, and stay tuned.